In this video, hand blenders are also commonly referred to as immersion blenders or stick blenders, and they are perfect for various kitchen duties like blending, chopping, pureeing, and whisking. There are many products available to choose immersion blender, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, wrote tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best immersion blender from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. I am always ready to keep you happy. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. So let's go. Number 1. Mueller Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-Speed Immersion Multi. The Mueller Ultra Stick is the best immersion blender with 500 watt motor power and variable speed control that gives you the chance to set your mixing speed to 9 different settings. The immersion blender will help make fresh whipped cream, smooth soups, smoothies, froth milk, and many others. The Mueller Best Hand Blender is quite a strong and powerful handheld tool. It features an ergonomic grip or handles that give you a comfortable grip while using it. The most amazing thing about these immersion blenders is that they can withstand continuous contact usage and last longer because of the high-quality materials used to construct them. The blending one has a 1-year warranty and comes with a guidebook, milk frother, immersion blender, and a whisk attach making your cooking easier. Positive side of this product: the ergonomic grip offers non-slip and easy control. Easy to operate, detachable and dishwasher-safe parts. Remarkably affordable. Comes with a food processor and whisk attachment. Comfortable grip design. Comes with a whisk and frother attachment. Safe for dishwasher cleaning. Negative side of this product: the bell guard is sharp and can scratch cooking containers. Number 2. Kitchen Speed Hand Blender. KitchenAid Immersion Blender KHB2351CU 3-speed hand blender allows you to make delicious creations by allowing you to blend, crush, chop, puree smoothies, sauces, whipped cream, baby food, and make mashed potatoes with the 2-speed options it comes with. The stainless steel stand mixer makes cooking fun and easy. It has a detachable or removable pan guard for easy cleaning and storing, which has increased the number of reviews for this immersion blender. The blending wand. The 3-speed hand blender comes with a mini chopper attachment that functions as a food processor by chopping vegetables, blending soups, making butter, and puree the frozen fruit. The perfect thing about this brand is that you can purchase the other immersion blender from KitchenAid cheaper and get the equivalent blending power. Positive side of this product: powerful motor with 3-speed performance. Comes with interchangeable blades, a chopper, and a whisk. Easy to clean and store. Comes with whisk and food processor attachments. Soft grip handle. Has up to 20 different color options. Dishwasher-friendly components. Has a BPA-free blending jar and chopping bowl. Number 3. Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender Patented. Braun MultiQuick 5 are the best immersion blenders with a very powerful 1000-watt motor. It is equipped with chopping cups and whisks attachment, which gives you the ability to efficiently execute an extensive range of cooking projects such as making whipped cream, whipping eggs, pureeing smooth soups, and blending smoothies. This full-size blender comes with a full range of speeds and is an anti-splash machine. Its blade on this immersion blender is sharp, and the immersion blender's ability to cut through tough foods is outstanding. The chopping cups of this stick blender have a 500 milliliters capacity, and they function efficiently. They have removable components that are also all dishwasher safe. Positive side of this product: comes with whisk and food processor attachments. Turbo boost for added power. Comfortable to hold. Has a BPA-free blending jar and chopping bowl. Extremely easy to clean. Can blend hot food made of good quality plastic and rubber. Negative side of this product: most likely to splash yourself with hot liquid. Number 4. Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. Breville Immersion Blender is the best corded model that comes with 280 wattage power and 15 different speed settings. This means it can easily power through all blending, chopping, pureeing, emulsifying, and whipping demands. It is also equipped with an 8 inches immersion depth if you use it for larger and deep pots, meaning it is convenient and reduces mess. It is the best option if you enjoy smoothies because of its efficiency in crushing ice and blending fruits, which is a job that a regular blender will not do. The Breville Control Grip is the best immersion blender designed to make your cooking much easier. It has an internal ribbing brake suction and bell-shaped base to ensure that the blender does not move while blending. The Breville Control Grip features an ergonomic handle designed to suit your hand adequately and control triggers positioned well for comfortability. The blender is made with high-quality stainless steel material that gives it a longer life. Positive side of this product comes with a whisk attachment, blending jar, has a rubber grip to restrain moving when blending, a bell-shaped base that reduces suction, non-scratch base to limit scratching pot, ergonomic control grip or handle, great to blend smoothies and blending soup straight into the pot. Number 5. All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Stainless Steel. The All-Clad is the best cordless immersion blender with a powerful 600 watt and 5 variable speed control settings. It features a stronger and superior blender body that is made of high-quality stainless steel material. These best immersion blenders will allow you to make almost all the recipes you want in minutes. It also features a safety lock that you will press to turn on and off. It is easy and simple to use, gives you an easy and fun cooking time, and automatically locks after 30 seconds. The blade attachment and handle are slim and comfortable to use. The awesome thing is it is also available in a corded model that will give you a continuous efficient blending. Positive side of this product, inexpensive compared to other cordless models. Features variable speed selection for specific control. Cordless for portability. It can be used with accessories for creating other preparation. Cooking tasks. Effortlessly convenient power button. Safety lock feature for extra safekeeping. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.